Right now, this is one of them weird videos that's been like requested for a while. I'm not obviously like a fashion influencer, so I feel a bit uneasy doing it, which is probably why I've put it off. But here we are. We were stuck for ideas. As I'm here, injured and waiting to get back to training, I'll talk to you about my wardrobe. Because a lot of people have actually asked for it, which I find quite complimentary. If ever you message me and ask me where I'm wearing something from, and I've not replied, I apologise, but you can find it all out here, so keep watching. We're gonna do 5 outfits. This first one is obviously what I'm wearing now, which you just see me walk in on. This is what I'd call like a casual, comfortable day outfit, probably just like a day at home or if you're nipping out somewhere not too uptight. So I'm literally wearing a full tracksuit. This is all Cole Buxton, apart from the gilet. So we've got the split bottom pants. I love these at the moment. It's not quite been adopted by the general public yet, which I think is quite good. You can typically tell something's gonna come into men's fashion if it's already in women's fashion. So do you remember like 15 years ago, it was all women that started wearing skinny jeans first and then finally men started wearing them. And now you don't fucking find a man without skinny jeans. Maybe too skinny, one might say. But anyway, split bottoms I think are like the next thing. So I've got a few pairs of split bottoms from Cole Buxton and Represent, which you'll see later. I'm currently looking to try and get some jeans split bottom, but I'm struggling. The key to these is you need kind of a decently sized footwear to go with them, something relatively chunky. So in the walk-on I've got Dunks on, something more accessible. Bit grubby now, but Air Force Ones, anyone can get their hands on these. The Dunks are a bit more limited. I had to pay a bit over the odds for these, but anyone can get their hands on a pair of white Air Force Ones. They look very good with split bottom things. I have these in this washed grey and plain black. I'm gonna get them in grey as well, because I just really like them that much. And then t-shirt, plain white tee, it's got a small motif on it. I'm not too big on logos, but we'll get more into that as the video goes on. And then the matching hoodie, always looks good to match it. This is like a perfect airport outfit for when I go back to Dubai on the 29th of December. And then finally, just finish off with a gilet. It's not freezing yet, global warming. So gilet's pretty perfect. Hoodie, gilet over the top, nice and warm. Bit more utility as well, plenty of pockets here, so we're all good. This is from Arquette, if I didn't mention that. That's probably one of my favorite like high street brands. And that is fit number 1.
You just told me I got to stay dead still for this clip because of the nylon. So I call this one like a daytime casual but versatile, right? So I could go out to a meeting in the day and then head out for some drinks in the evening if I really wanted to, maybe even get in somewhere for dinner. I'm warm and cozy. And what we've got on here is the Nike Sakai's Represent cargos. So these are 247s with the zip bottom again. I just like that ability to open them up. It gives a bit of a wider leg. I'm not a massive fan of this super skinny look, as you've already heard. Still got CB top on, any top will work, doesn't matter. And then this jacket's from Arquette. So this is pretty reasonable and it's bloody warm. It was 135 quid. Just a nylon puffer jacket. I'm gonna get a slightly more expensive jacket. I'm just waiting for it to come out. But this will do for the time being. Nice little bomber, very versatile, and it's got a two-way zip. So you'll see on the hoodie that I was wearing and on this, two-way zip, so you can kind of have this flared look, which I think just makes for a nicer silhouette when you've got it on. Bit of a taper, and that is fit number 2. Okay, so we call this the day to night casual. So again, I could go be out somewhere, probably go out for dinner with this outfit. There's probably not many places that are gonna turn me away, apart from like Mayfair, you know, those racist clubs, they might turn me away because I've got cargos and Converse on. Wanted to make this relatively accessible. So again, the Represent cargo is a split bottom. You could probably do this with the normal cargos with the like tightening bottom, but not a big fan of that look. I think you have to have a certain type of shoe on to be able to pull off the sort of jogger at the bottom look. And also, that is much less smart casual. I'd say if you've got those on, they're practically casual. Another Cole Buxton t-shirt here. The thing I like about these is like the high neck in particular. I don't like that like saggy neck look. There's a slightly different material as well, which is cool. Smartened it up a little bit with an accessory. And then the gilet is on again. It can be on in the day and then just taken off at night, and then you've kind of got yourself a decent even outfit. Again, relatively casual, but you're often gonna find me in pretty casual clothes. So that is number 3. Okay, so this is the first like nighttime outfit. This is what I'd wear if I was like going out for dinner or something like that, dinner or drinks. Bit smarter, still a t-shirt. And the difference is, I think that really oversized t-shirt look that I'll normally go for in the daytime isn't particularly like night friendly. If you're trying to go somewhere a bit nicer, a bit more at market, you want something that's a bit more fitted. This still isn't skin tight and it's kind of covering up the right areas. I don't like to go out with my arms like bulging out. I think it's very weird. You know, that extra schmedium vibe. Kill it off immediately. Jeans are like slim tapered from Next. So very accessible, I think they're about 25 quid a pop. These are my favourite jeans that I've ever found. I never like to spend too much on jeans because I just can't find ones that are comfy and fit well, and so it seems like a complete waste. So slim tapered denim, and I'll show you the next pair of them in the next fit. And then Fear of God, kind of plimp solely type shoes, but they're a leather suede, so again, a bit smarter, probably going to be fine getting in anywhere posh with these. Another option would be like Common Project, so again, something not too like chunky. Again, you're just kind of taking away from that more formal vibe, so I'd call this smart casual, but pretty suitable for any dinner or night out, so that is outfit 4. So outfit number 5, that one's probably the smartest of the lot, still relatively smart casual, like we're not going in trousers anywhere. And this is just the same tee, the Saint Laurent tee. I think with this outfit, you could go with anything plain underneath. This is just relatively subtle, so it works for like a plain black top. I would definitely go dark if I was going to go with a relatively darker colour on top. I think a white t-shirt under this would look weird, so I'll stick with black. Black jeans, again, very kind of at the top end of that smart casual. And then I got Clark's Originals Wallaby Boots on. These are just like, these Wallabies have been a staple for me for like years and years and years, especially when I worked in the office. So very versatile, comfortable, reasonably priced, and good for kind of all occasions. And then the top, Issey Miyake, Hompley. What I would say with all this is there's like high street alternatives to all of these clothes, or what's it, high street or just more accessible. So as I said, the jeans are from Next. The shirt's expensive, but like Zara did a fairly decent kind of copy of it, and I reckon pleats will probably be on their way out anyway at the start of next year, so any kind of overshirt will work here. In terms of Cole Buxton stuff, probably only going to find it from them in terms of like direct replicas, but I don't doubt it will bleed into the market fairly soon. Represent again for the bottoms, relatively reasonable, not completely out of budget. And then Arquette in terms of like a high street destination. You won't find any like Zara or, well, mainly Zara in this video, and the reason is because it just simply doesn't fit me. But I don't doubt that you could recreate any of these looks, or most of them, with clothes from Zara. It just doesn't fit me, so I don't have any. But I'm a big fan of Zara as well in terms of high street stuff. And I think that just about wraps the video up. So thanks for watching. I don't know how common these clothing videos will be, but over the next couple of months, I'll be releasing another line of clothing. So the next drop of the Brightman tees will be coming pre-Christmas, so hold out for that. If you have enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace!